Hi, everybody. So you are working on your Unit 1 project, and you are probably have selected the second option, which is to create your own unique image in Desmos instead of inserting an image in Desmos. So this is how you get started. You open up a new tab, and you go to desmos.com. There, you're going to make sure that you are logged in under your school account. I'm actually going to log out so I can log back in so you can see what it looks like. This is your school account. You want to log in with your school account. So click there, log in. All right. And the reason why you want to do this is because you want to save everything that you do. I'll repeat, you want to save all of your work. You do not want to have to do this again because you didn't save your work. Click on Graphing Calculator, and it takes you to a blank graph. You're going to insert a table, so go ahead and add a table, and that's what we're going to put our points in. We're going to put it in a table. So I think I want to do a star. Remember, your figure has to be asymmetrical. So my star cannot be symmetrical in any way, shape, or form. It has to be asymmetrical. So let's start with the point -6, 4. So -6 is going to be my x coordinate, 4 is going to be my y coordinate, and you see the point comes up here on the screen. And so I'm just going to go in order, creating the star, going in and out, creating the star. I'm just going to create it over the whole graph that I see here. Okay, so my next point is going to be -4, 0. So I'm going to come in here, -4, 0. All right, and now, like a star is supposed to look, right? You're supposed to come out and then go in, then come out again. So I'm going to go out to -8, -6. Yeah, about right here, -8, -6. All right, so there we are. And now I want to go in again. So maybe, and remember, I need like 10 points, at minimum 10 points. So I'm going to come in again. Maybe I should come in. Let's do this. Let's come on in. Let's on the way in. Let's get another point. Let's do -5, -4. Let's try that. -5, -4. All right. And let's continue to come on in. Come on in. Let's go right here to -2, 2. And we're just creating. And the nice thing about creating your own unique image in Desmos is that you don't have to use decimals, right? So when we inserted an image, we had to use decimals, and now we don't. Aha. So now let's keep on going. This time, so remember I started here, came in, came out, came all the way in. Now I want to go back out again. So let's go to say -5, 0. Let's do that. That's on the y-axis. Actually, it's 0, -5 because we're on the y-axis, right? I'm over here, and that puts me on the y-axis, 0, -5. And then let's come on out again. So let's go to say 2, 8, like right there, 2, 8. To -8, to -8. Be careful. 2, 8 is is above the x-axis. -8 is below the x-axis. So you want to make sure you're putting in the correct location. All right. So now I want to go back out again. So I want to go up and out. So here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do 4, -2. Let's do 4, -2. Okay. And then let's go back out again. Right? Let's go back out. Let's do 8, 0. That's on the x-axis. 8, 0. All right, now let's come on back in, right? So does it see, it's looking kind of like a star. It's looking kind of like a star. All right, so let's come back on in, and let's come back on in to say 2, 3, 2, 3. All right, and now let's go up. A star's got to have like a top. So let's go up. Let's go up to say 1. Let's go to 1, 7. 1, 7. All right. And now let's come back in. Let's come back in. Let's close the star off. So let's go say to 0, 2. Back down on the y-axis. All right. Now, I didn't do this in the other video, but I am going to do it in this video. So now if I wanted to close this star off, right, make it a closed figure, I would simply put the first point that I started at the end of the table. And you will do that in the other, if you imported your picture, you will do the same thing as well. So I started with -6, 4. I'm going to end with -6, 4 so that it closes the figure off like so. Voila. All right. And now you are done. So you created a star in Desmos. In another video, we will show you how to connect the dots and finalize your picture. Thank you.